you guys are out there in the world. This is Matt, co-founder of Metafide, calling in today for a live supercharged event as we'll be predicting Bitcoin's price over the period of 1 minute. I'm expecting a ton of action today. The last couple market opens, the price has been jumping around a couple $1,000s in a period of an hour. So really exciting out there. I'm expecting to see some big wins in the game. Yeti, good to have you on. How are you feeling today?
Pretty good. Just as you said that, we had a $400 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
Just finished. So
yeah, we just dipped down.
Yeah, big movements indeed.
It looks like sell off at 9:30. I don't know.
Yeah. It's been like that the last couple of days, hey.
Yeah, we're moving around a couple $100 like a second. like
yeah.
Those. We're jumping right back up. Maybe we're seeing some long positions get opened. Absolute wild day out there today. There we go. Love ETH. A guy loves ETH. I'm not going to argue against him, I don't think you do well in that argument. He loves ETH.
I love ETH, but I think I love Mega ETH even more. I've yet to use it, but
yeah, I gotta check it out.
It's the first one that seemed to me like it will actually be like successful. Like all the other ones are like, I don't know, just like the scale of difference this time is just so big, or at least the claim scale of difference is so big. And like I've seen, like it's like places talk about it, but like, yeah, they've literally got people playing Crossy Road where every, like, Crossy Road, Frogger kind of game. Yeah, they've got people playing that where like every single move is a blockchain interaction.
Oh my goodness. Here we go. Yeah, I've seen that. Like it goes bing, 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 bing.
Yeah, like it's so fast. That is like, like just inconceivable right now, right? Like it's like playing a game like that where every single step is an actual transaction.
Yeah.
Wild. Is Lorenzo going to be joining us tonight, do you reckon?
I think he will, probably.
We pulled the data, and Anumi, if they join, are on a 12x streak right now.
What?
So if they get to a 13 streak in this session, they're going to take out that 25x spot.
What? How does Anumi decide when to play?
I don't know, when other people aren't playing.
Yeah.
Or when there's no like big positions in the game. Although actually that's not true. They were going up against Lorenzo and Bane a while ago. Hey. Is it flat markets when it's flat?
Probably. Yeah, when it's flat, you have a much better chance. I think you're right. They might be looking for periods where there's not a lot of volatility. They get a large
Yeah.
reaction in the early. Ooh, not so good there.
Or maybe it's just when the pots get big enough to go for.
Yeah,
Like maybe they go like, oh, it's worth my while to, because they're risking to go for the 10x pot, even if they hit it every game, they're risking probably $1,000 to $1,500 to do that, I guess. Like, obviously, there's no possibility of them losing all of that. Like, having to get 0x every game would be. You have to be intentionally doing that, but.
so annoying. What? This can't be right. That's price difference. What is the price on Binance right now? Price on
Where do they say they draw their price data from?
from Binance, which right now it's accurate actually. There is a little lag on it sometimes. Yeah, they're getting it from Binance. Oh my god, it's ripping right now. It's weird. Trading views behind Binance. Let's see. Man. What in the BTC? Are we gonna rip all the way back up to 84,000? Is this like the $1,000 ripper that happens in 10 minutes?
Maybe. I
Oh,
mean,
yeah,
we're due, aren't we? We're due for
yeah,
a rip.
we are. Oh, no. Wow. Come on, price. Nothing took off.
What is the over under?
Right now it's 92 cents for off, 9 cents for down. It's like huge difference. I'm on the wrong side of history.
But what's the number? What's the actual price that it's
82
price target?
740.
82 740. Yeah, right, far out. So it's like 500.
Yeah, we might be too far past. Yeah. It would be hard for it to come all the way back down there. But not impossible. Not impossible. No. Almost $1,000 now. Let's put these in. No, it's gone. Definitely
Gone. Yeah. It was looking so good there. It was looking so good like 8 minutes ago.
It's gone.
Being going like, I can't lose this one.
No, even until I was still never up. I've always been down on this one.
Oh, really? Yeah, right.
No, I've never been up on it. I looked at the one day, and our one day was like, okay, it's going down. Everything said down, and then I looked at our 1 hour, and it was saying down. Complete opposite. But also, I'm like, I wouldn't trust it anyways because I'm like, there's been so much activity that things are a little out of whack right now. And there's literally no upside to playing in times like this that are risky. Like, not at all.
Yep.
I'm like, oh, why did I even? I knew I'm not supposed to do it, but I'm just testing it too to see. But again, should avoid these times. It's not smart at all.
Odious. Nice win. Far out. Odious is fast. Did you end up watching The Castle at all?
Not yet. I haven't really watched anything yet. I've been kind of just watching, like, if I go to bed, I'll watch the show that my girlfriend's been watching called, like, The Traders. It's like some game show. Yeah. It's like some type of game show where they, like, it's like all these different, like, celebrities and people. And it's kind of interesting. There's, like, it's kind of like Werewolf almost, but not in the same way. It's not like there's a seer and all these.
Oh, Traitors.
Yeah.
Okay, I think we had the same thing in Australia. Where they set them like tasks where they've got to get money that's like goes towards the prize.
Hmm.
Is that the one?
I think so. Yeah, it is. And then there's like you can, kill people. Everyone's trying to figure out like who's a faithful and who's a traitor.
Yep.
Yeah, it's been fun.
Yeah, cool.
But it's like already.
I reckon I'd be sick in that game. I reckon I'd be great in that game.
They say they're having people sign up. You could.
Gonna fly me over.
Yeah. You should do it. I would never. I would. I was always like, I would be scared to go on a game show. You never
Yeah.
know how they're gonna make you out as a person. It's like, okay, cool. You could be competing for $100,000, but also you could have your entire life ruined.
Would it ruin your life? I mean, I don't reckon if they made me out to be terrible, it would ruin my life. I can't see it making much of a difference, really. Like,
No, it's not like I'd be worried about myself being terrible. It's like in this show, Traders, there's like a thing that kind of showed me like how you could get yourself in trouble, right? Like they had Taylor Swift's husband or whatever. His mom was on the show. So like Taylor Swift's new boyfriend or husband, like had this like 7-year-old mother, and she was on the show, and everyone was like, "Oh, I think she's a traitor." So they're all like trying to come after her right away. And someone was like, "Oh man, if you come after Taylor Swift's husband's mom, all the Swifties of the world are gonna attack you the rest of your life." Being like, "How would you vote out this sweet lady?" And so they're all scared, like vote her out. And eventually, they kind of like they bring some stuff up, but it's like, yeah, like you could just be like doing a normal thing, like, "Oh, I think she's a traitor." Next thing you know, like 13-year-old girls on the internet, like, "I hate you." And you're like, "What did I do?" So like you don't even know. It's not worth the risk.
yeah.
Like you'll never be able to do anything again. Like they'll every time you open up a business, they'll comment on your Yelp page, "Worst place ever. Never plays Taylor Swift."
I reckon I would go on almost any of those game shows except for the ones that you've got to like survive out in the wilderness. Like that would be no way I'd do well in that. But like, I reckon any of those, like I'd love to go on a quiz one or a Survivor, like like the Survivor, the classic Survivor one. That would be heaps of fun.
That's cool.
I had a friend who almost got on Survivor. He got on to like the final casting call for it.
Mm-hmm.
He had when he was doing his video for it, like his video audition, he like climbed up a coconut tree, and then it just so happened that a kangaroo happened to go past as he was doing it, and so he jumped off the tree and got the kangaroo. And that was like it wasn't planned at all, but it was just like, yeah, he was like, "I'm a shoo-in. I'm definitely getting on the show." And then he didn't get on. He like was like like the final 20 of them or whatever, and there was 10 selected, and yeah.
Damn, some crazy skill though. They saw that, they said put him to the top right away. This guy's
I reckon. Yeah. Well, he was like I'm a shoo-in. Like, there's no way I'm gonna get rejected.
No,
but,
why would you?
Not enough.
He needed to ride the kangaroo.
What you reckon is because there was someone else on there that was like D grade celebrity who looked similar to him, and he reckons like they were trying to go for like a bit more kind of diversity, and so he reckons that's why he didn't get.
Yeah. That show's been going on for a while though.
Hey, ages. Yeah, ages and ages. It looks fun though, hey. Like it looks like, like the conniving element looks fun. The like the actual survival skills is like, you don't need any survival skills. It's all sham in that way. But then you get to do like the fun survival. You get to go fishing and do the stuff that like the parts of survival, survival that I like doing, like camping and fishing.
Mm-hmm.
It's like just seems like a fun holiday.
Should be good. I wouldn't want to be a contestant, but I'd love to be a judge on like a baking show. Like a
Oh
cooking
yeah.
and just all
Did
day
you
long.
ever
You just get
did you ever see the Baking Impossible or Baconeers?
no. I haven't seen
Oh,
that.
that was the best baking show. My God, that was good. It was like an engineer and a baker had to team up and like build a cake that would pass an earthquake test, or like build a biscuit ship that could sail down a rapids, or it's like this like bizarre mix of like engineering and baking. Is it just so you could taste all the stuff? Is that what you're?
Yeah. Oh my God, Yeti, you could come back here. Yeti.
Oh, how much more time has it got?
It's got 6 minutes left. And it's now it was up
Oh,
at $800. We lost $400 in the last like minute. And I'm in at 8.9 cents.
ooh,
So like it would be good position, so we'll see.
yeah. How
That'd
many
be
more minutes did you say? 4 more minutes or
6 minutes.
6 minutes?
Yeah,
Oh yeah.
this one would rack everybody. Oh, 6 minutes is changing fast. Our systems head down, and look at that chart, Yeti. Oh my God, we could do it. We could do it. Come on. Got at 8.9 cents.
11, 12, 10. Oh,
Dude, we might be able to cash in the green soon.
oh God, no, you're back in loss. Oh, you're back in profit. It's really jumping around there, isn't it?
Yeah. Well, it needs to go below 82,740. It's jumping back up. There's 5 minutes left. I don't know. No, it's kind of reversing. Looked promising for a little bit. Oh, no, changed dramatically again.
Yeah, really needed to just continue that trend. I don't think there's much chance now that it's
It was so close to crossing over.
wasted that amount of time. Yeah.
don't know, 3 minutes left. It's going down again. It's going to be a close one. So far, Metafide says down for the day. On the 1 hour, it still says down, and we're heading right back to where it says. And Yeti, it's closing out. It's getting so much closer. Yeti, it's changing. Holy crap, Yeti. 2 minutes left. It's losing a lot of value really fast. The whole market's shifting.
Oh man, this would be epic.
Nope, back up. It almost did it again. It wants to break. It did 82, 820. Uh-oh, there it goes. There it goes. Nope. It's fighting. It's fighting hard. One minute left. We're back on the down candle, Yeti, though. 82, 845. Nope. Binance is balanced out, though. Binance, it won't really break the 83. There must be a lot of interest in keeping it there right now. This battle is hard.
Oh, it only needs to go down $200 in this minute.
Dude, it just went down another $100, but then it bounced out. Oh my goodness. 49 seconds left.
Oh, it's really going down. No.
No, it stopped. They're stopping the momentum.
Yeah.
We're in on this option. Whoever's trading this is probably in on these options, and they're not going to let it go down. Nope. No way. No. Man, they chopped it here. And now, like, I promise you, the next one, it's going to break right below it. Because everyone's going to be out of that option now. That's upsetting. Oh. No.
What's up, guys?
What up, Lorenzo?
Hey, man.
Is it going?
Doing good. How about you, man?
Good.
Pretty good. Just finished class. I only have one today, so it's nice.
That's good.
We got a duel tonight. We're facing the reigning national champions, Johnson and Wales.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
That'll be good. You guys going to beat them then?
Hope so.
Oh,
Cool.
yeah.
I'm not wrestling. Actually, 3 of our starters are out. Me, and then 2 other ones. But we'll see.
All right. On the one-day game. Reels. Nice job, Yeti.
Nice. I was looking at the thing. Have you seen preloaded positions are in?
In the live update?
Yep.
Oh, I didn't even try it yet.
So you'll need to reload. Have you tried, Lorenzo?
No, I haven't.
So you reload your page. It probably will get you to re-sign back in. But then in the lobby, put in any positions you want to put in, and then they'll just go straight in. And you can see it once you place all 10 positions. You can see this line at the start now of players all in at the same time.
What's this gray line?
That's the previous candle's high and low,
Okay.
or range, rather. But I actually don't think it's working. So it says it was from just under 829.50 to just over 83200.
All right, I got to do it on the next one. Get my positions in early. Does the community know about it?
No, we're going to do a proper announcement because we actually didn't know it was going live either. Some of them are doing it. Ace has talked about it, but we haven't done an actual announcement yet. But we won't rush it out mid supercharged session. I don't think. I think we'll just wait and do it for a Monday announcement, like fresh week, fresh updates kind of announcement.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see a bunch of people are already doing it though.
All right, I'm gonna get them in this time. Here we go. I keep forgetting to do it because there's nothing that says anything about it, so it's like doesn't feel like natural right away.
It doesn't, yeah. I had the same.
Okay, I'm in. You can see a wall coming through. Release the hounds.
Wow, yeah.
Man, the price is ripping up again.
I went down because both of the hours were saying down.
I went down also, but I'm gonna double down on it though because we have a lot of time, and I know we can actually get away with like $1,000 of volatility here. And so if it drops down still in the first 30 minutes to a crazy percentage, like it's like, it looks like it's gonna be really down bad, I'll throw in another buck or two in there.
Are you talking about power market?
Yeah.
What's your account at now?
No, today's not good. Today's one loss. Like starting off just one loss.
Okay.
I've been losing.
Yet even losing.
I'm still on a long for the paper trading. Looks like it's coming back, so hopefully.
So this is a loss. I don't want this one to be a loss.
It's not letting me connect to Instagram. I don't know.
Dude, every hour that one's growing by like 10K views.
Which one? The dog one or the
Dog one.
what's it at now? I haven't actually checked in a minute. Oh wow. Up a lot. 88,000. Am I crazy or the tap to trade one had 100 and something at one point?
I don't know. I don't even know how to check that. It doesn't show up for me on the computer.
Definitely did. I don't know why it's saying what was wrong.
Yeah, it's 147.
What, the tap to trade one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's reading at mine. It's 78.
Yeah.
All right, I'll close it out. See if it changes. Okay, yep, it changed. 147. $420,000 views total.
Is anyone playing better now? Let's see. MXAK and Ace are doing good.
Well, I think like Ace is the one. He said it in the Discord chat. He was like, "Oh, it's live," and so I'd say he's like gotten onto MXAK and Odious about using it, and so they're probably doing well from using it.
So what do you think's different about today that's getting all losses? Like, is it the predictions that are just not coming in well, or
I think it's just the frames. Like if you're looking at like a minute, and 5 minutes has a lot more frames. But if you're looking at like an hour out, it might only be looking at like past hour frames, which is like not going to give it the full context of what's going on.
Hey, that was a good one.
Nice one, Yeti. And I think the market's just moving too fast, and I don't think it's using the right models at all. Like I was telling Yeti, I think we're using a moving average for only that one right now because we don't have the other models on, which a moving average is good for like a neutral market. But in something like this, it's not going to work that well. This is where you need like the Markov models, where you need to be modeling out like the unknown. That was crazy. We went down to all the way to 81,000 yesterday.
Yeah.
I'd see that for a long time. I thought we might have been past that. I have said the real fair value of Bitcoin was like $60,000 when Bitcoin was around like 120. Like I always think the fair value of Bitcoin is half of what its current price is.
So it's a fair price of Bitcoin now, 41,000.
Probably or 50, yeah. Because I don't trust.
What does that mean though? So it's always it's like a.
I don't trust the USDT pools. I don't trust that like half of Bitcoin's liquidity is actually secure.
But it's not mostly done off. Bitcoin's value isn't mostly derived from pools, right? I mean, it's like it would be a tiny fraction of the sales.
Well, a majority of the
that
exchange
went through liquidity pools. It would be like order books, most like by far mostly, right, for Bitcoin.
Yeah, well, a majority of the liquidity pools are USDT BTC pools. And what I'm worried about is if basically the USDT becomes devalued and now like the USDT is supporting Bitcoin on the other side of the pool, and then now you start losing a ton of value in BTC out the door.
Well, I mean, bizarrely, USDT looks like it's doing super well for itself now, right? They bought crap loads of gold just before it absolutely skyrocketed.
Yeah.
USDT may actually like welcome in auditors now, I reckon. Like,
yeah.
See, look,
Whoa.
we did have it back 1-to-1.
We just dropped off a cliff there, Yeti.
Did we?
Yeah.
The game isn't reflecting it.
If you look at TradingView, we just touched down to 83,000 out of nowhere for a brief second.
Huh.
It was like a flash down, which is a little terrifying too. Man, I keep forgetting to put them in earlier. Getting beat. Yeah, like it quickly just went back up another like $300, but we flashed down $300 out of nowhere. I wouldn't count us out yet. Like we could go below 83 again. We'll see. It all determines like in the next 30 minutes. Even I think the next 15 minutes really determines where we are for the day. Because the volume starts trailing off around like 10:30. And by 11, it's pretty much done.
Do you reckon there's like a lot of speculation about who the next Fed chair will be, right? And it seems like it's going to be this crypto positive dude, yeah?
I'll believe it when I see it. That would be insanely bullish. But almost too good to be true. So I don't know.
I keep waiting for the new game. It's so ingrained.
Oh, flash right back down again.
Oh, yeah. And that one we recorded.
Ooh. It wants to test 83 resistance. And I think the bulls have been keeping it up for a while. It's bearish today. Unfortunately, the Bears might have a little bit more gas. Like, I know they're pretty excited being at this range right now.
The Bears.
Yeah. Like, we also have to think this has been happening really fast. Like, they'd have some hands. They got a fight to put up still. Might take a little more effort to get ourselves out of this. There we go, getting $50 off of the target. Whoop. 9 minutes left in the supercharge event.
I wish there was a way of just going all in coin glass. Like, is there a way of doing that? Instead of like only looking on Binance or Mex, having to click between them all. I mean, they all end up looking pretty similar generally, but not always. I mean, like Gate, for instance, has no longs left on it pretty much. But it's like short side looks very similar to Binance and MEXC. And then like Bybit has like heaps more shorts than any of the others. I wonder if there's a good weighting that you could apply to those exchanges as well to see which one is like the users are the most accurate of.
Yeah. I haven't tried the different models either yet. I just saw that now.
The different what?
There's different models you could change between at the top. Maybe it's just visualizing it. Yeah. Like the first one. Yeah, you were good. It's below now.
Huh.
The system so far is doing good. We'll be back on track if we get this one here. Oh, it's above now.
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty much bang on right now, right? It's
Yeah.
like with 37 minutes to go. The 1 minute is predicting fairly bullish outcomes.
I think it's right. We are going that way.
Well, that's no good.
But I don't think it's long. Like I do think there's momentum to go up, but it's like how much time do they have before they expire that energy? Like we're getting close to where it's expired. And the line just came down a little bit more, which is telling that the energy is dissipating. So we already had our big reaction for the day. Oh, it's shifting again.
Gold was freaking wild again. Hey, like it's like lost back that, you know, the everything that bounced, like, you know, lost $3 trillion, made back 2 trillion of it, and then lost that 2 trillion again. Just all in the space of just like such tiny little time frames.
You said 2 trillion?
Yeah, off its market cap. Yeah.
What? That's wild. That's crazy.
Yeah, it's like it's getting like it's getting like, you know, like as much as it's moved in a decade in a day. Which just doesn't seem good for, like, you know, like that
It
shouldn't
doesn't
be
seem
happening.
real.
Yeah.
Like,
Just feels like there's a lot of people with big money thinking everything is about to break to me.
maybe. Okay, wait. Preload.
Oh my god, I forgot to do it again.
Yeah, you gotta get used to that action. Okay, the energy is expiring.
How are we looking? Oh yeah, we're doing all right. We're gonna be okay, Matt.
Oh yeah. Think so.
I'm trying to figure out my Amtrak tickets right now, Matt.
What's that?
It's the train. It's a train here.
What we probably do have to get better is measuring entropy. And just be like, yo, like there's a ton of freaking shit going on right now. There's all this disorder. Like maybe we don't participate. Or if we could figure out a way to measure the disorder correctly and then go around that, maybe we can participate. But right now, when I see disorder, I'm not about it.
So what, you went down on this hour or up?
Down. And we're good. It flipped $300 and down. We're in the green right now.
Or maybe days like today are days that we do what Matt was not Matt, Frank was suggesting, and just locking in small profits over and over.
All right, 2 more games. Ah, positions in. Damn it. I reckon I got them all in actually. Yeah, I did.
I didn't put them in. I'm wondering in a situation like this, if I should take the win, cash out 70%, which is pretty crazy, and then wait a little bit and come back in.
Hang on, what? Sorry?
Do I, like, for a situation like this, now I'm up like 70%, something like this where it's like you still have 30 minutes. Like, I'm debating, are there moves where you would cash out, you're like, I'm at 70%, and then come back in at a certain different time because you're still confident. You're like, I could hold, but you could cash out, wait a little bit, wait for the odds to change back, and then throw everything back in. And now you compounded in 1 hour, like, window.
Yeah, I mean, I guess if you think it's going to bounce,
Yeah.
like, I guess that's where the 1 minute game might be useful for, like, which it seems to think it's going to bounce. So maybe.
I'm going to take it. It's a $10 win for me. I just took it.
Yeti, I like the way the same format looks on Instagram. Looks
Dude,
cool.
taking an 80%
Cool.
taking an 80% win though, with 30 minutes left, I'm like, that's a freaking win.
Yep.
Like, whatever, 20% on the table, there's 30 minutes left. Like, that's crazy.
Yeah.
But now
I mean,
what I do is I could run all that back in because you just made like another $5 of profit or something like that. You could run it all back in if you're really confident.
You could just sell your initial.
Yeah, if you could just take out your initial, which was like 5, and you could throw back in.
That's probably the best too,
But
because you
instead
still
of-
keep your entry from the beginning.
well, unless you think it's going to bounce, you wouldn't take it all out and then throw back in. You would just keep in what you would just
Right.
take out. Otherwise,
Right,
you're
right.
paying fees for no reason.
You would have to watch, like, in a situation like this, you watch it, you hold that, you're like, okay, I could go back in on down. You wait until like the odds are different again where you have a good outcome, and then you could do it. Because 30 minutes, like in the next 15 minutes, things could shift again. Taking 80%, that was a win there for me.
Sorry about that. Oh, 92 cents.
All right, and the game is over. All right, let me on the stream. Good to see everyone. Thanks for joining in with us today. We'll see you again.